Science Walks with Behr and Brox. Broxton is like... Hi, I'm Behrett. And Science Walks with Behr and Brox. That's going to be our show. And you can see that's what we're doing, chemistry. We're using lab in the bag for our first experiment. Yay! These are all test tubes, and the first one we're going to do is touchable bubbles. You need these goggles so science doesn't get in your eyes. No, wait, science. You need these gloves so you won't get hurt your hands. And this lab coat is just to be like a doctor or to not be sick or anything.
Does it protect your clothes from chemicals?
Yes. I love science because of it's fun. And also I get to collate things and because I get to learn. Yeah. And I love school. Don't cut that part out, please.
Behrett, what is a hypothesis?
Something that you think that's going to happen.
In where?
Like in science.
In our experiment?
In our experiment.
Okay, so what is your hypothesis with touchable bubbles? What do you think it implies when you can touch the with touchable bubbles?
You can touch them.
And what's going to happen?
They won't pop. If you wait, they won't pop. But if you don't wait, they will pop. And we've been waiting on some bubbles over here, I think. And they have part of it from purple. Like right there. Like my video, subscribe and hit my like button.